Hello students, welcome to all today's GK's class. Today's first question is which Indian railway zone has the longest route length? Central, Eastern, Northern or Southern? The right answer is Northern Railway has the longest route length. Next, by which process sunlight is reached to the earth's surface? Conduction, convection, radiation and transmission. The right answer is uh, radiation. In radiation, no medium is required. So it is the fastest mode of transfer of heat. If the focal length of a lens is 0.5 centimeter, what will be radius of curvature? The relation between radius of curvature and focal length is r equals to 2f. Here r is the radius of curvature and f is the focal length. So if we put here 0.05, then the answer will be 1 centimeter. So radius of curvature will be always double of the focal length. So right answer is option B, 1 centimeter. Next one, which of the following has the highest pH value? Distilled water. This is a neutral solution, so its pH will be 7. Lemon juice. It is an acidic solution, so its pH will be less than 7. And hydrochloric acid. This one also an acid, so its pH will be less than 7. And sodium hydroxide solution. This one is a base, so obviously this it has pH value greater than 7. So highest one is the sodium hydroxide solution. Option C is the right answer. Next one, which one has the covalent bond? HCl, hydrogen chloride, sodium chloride, calcium oxide and magnesium chloride. NaCl, calcium oxide and magnesium chloride. These three have ionic bond or electrovalent bond, but HCl has covalent bond. Covalent bond is formed by sharing of electrons, like H has 1 electron and chlorine has 7 electrons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now hydrogen gives this electron and chlorine contributes 1 electron. Now chlorine left 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total chlorine has 8 electrons and hydrogen has 2 electrons. So both outer orbit is fulfilled. So by sharing of these electrons, covalent bond is formed. So the right answer is hydrogen chloride. Which latitude passes through the middle of India? The right answer is Tropic of Cancer. During electrolysis of water, the ratio of volume of hydrogen to oxygen. By electrolysis of water, we get hydrogen and oxygen. Now, if we balance it, then we will get 2 to 4, and so the hydrogen and oxygen ratio will be 2:1. Hydrogen and oxygen ratio will be 2:1. So right answer is option C, 2:1. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with division of powers between center and states? The right answer is 7th schedule. Next, the high semi-speed train of India was Rajdhani Express, Duronto Express, Gotiman Express and Shatabdi Express. The right answer is Gotiman Express. First semi-high speed train. Next one, the weight of a body at the center of the earth is. The formula of weight, W equals to M into G. M is the mass of the body. At the center, G will be 0. So weight will be also 0. The weight at the center of the earth is 0, and in artificial satellite the weight of the body is also 0. Which metal is stored under kerosene oil? That is Na or sodium. Sodium is a soft metal that can be cut by using knife. So it is also an important point. Transpiration in plants occurs through, this one will be stomata. Transpiration means the loss of excessive water from the plant body. So this occurs mainly through stomata. Next one, which part of the Indian Constitution deals with fundamental duties? That is part 4A. Two registers R and 2R are connected in parallel. The equivalent resistance is, the formula of equivalent resistance in parallel, R equals to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. So if we put, then we will get R equivalent equals to R into 2R by R plus 2R. That means 2R square by 3R. So the final answer will be 2 by 3R. Option C is the right answer. If R and 2R are connected in series, then the formula of equivalent resistance will be just sum of the two resistance. Then answer will be R plus 2R, that means 3R. Ohm. The SI unit of resistance is ohm. Next, which soil type is most suitable for cotton cultivation in India? Cotton cultivation, that is black soil. Option C is the right answer. Thank you to all.